Okay guys, so I'm gonna show y'all the installation of my long tube headers. My headers, I got them from BBK Performance. But yeah, it took me, well, it took us like around, I'd say 10 hours because of one bolt that I ended up stripping on the driver's side. And yeah, it was a pain. Let's just say that these cars don't have a lot of clearings, so clearings was a big problem. The other problem was the other problem was that once we got under there, whenever we took the passenger side off, one of the bolts was already broken. So right now I'm just running with both sides on, but only the passenger side has a broken bolt. But other than that, everything came out good. Anyways guys, let me know in the comments what y'all think. If you have any questions for me, just write them down and let me know.
I'm here.
You a hoe. You a hoe. What's that? You a hoe for pulling.
We zoom into M.
That one should be watermelon. I see you, boy.
You fucking ugly fool.
You're not get back, bro.
Oh, you already know.
Whoa.
Thumbnail.
Wowzers.
Hold up, thumbnail.
I got you.
Hey, what's the extensions are these?